Giving Tuesday is a nationwide event, and Salesforce today is doing local events in our lobbies as well as in our hubs to give back in our communities locally.
I've been with Make-A-Wish just about a year, and before that worked in children's hospitals, so I've seen the true power of a wish. The bears that are being stuffed today by Salesforce employees are going to go to kids that are participating in one of our events coming up, and they're going to get to pick their own bear.
We've created this partnership in order to create these very, very special memories. So you get to choose all of the traits that you're going to put inside of that furry friend. So I think that's what really makes us stand out, from just a toy to creating a friend.
I named my bear Lantastico.
Mr. Pickle Giggles.
Cody Cloud.
Big Teeth Granderson.
Sir Ice Cream.
My favorite part of making the bear was taking the heart and setting good intentions for it.
Thinking about all of the emotions and stuff that we're transferring to the bear.
Filling out the birth certificate so that someone knows where their bear came from.
Just the fact that we're building bears and, we're just being active in the community and we're just giving away, It's always great to give.
We are in Salesforce trying to make it a habit, not only for one day, but really giving back as your recurrent part of your habits.
Working for an organization like Salesforce, where they actually give you volunteer hours and encourage you to volunteer, it makes it very easy.
I make giving back a daily habit by doing the little things every day, whether it's helping someone cross the street.
Just giving your time, or just even just to open the door for somebody.
Doesn't have to be during the holidays, but at any point in the year.
It's always great to pay it forward. Always think of a good deed to do for someone else. Even if we do it every day, we can change the world.